When it comes to designing a bathroom, the vanity mirror plays a crucial role, not only in terms of aesthetics but also functionality. A bathroom vanity mirror with integrated lighting elevates the space, combining practical illumination with a stylish focal point. Imagine stepping into a bathroom where the lighting is perfectly calibrated to enhance your daily routines, whether it's applying makeup, shaving, or simply getting ready for the day. The right mirror can transform this mundane task into a luxurious experience. A mirror with built-in LED lights offer an even flattering glow that reduces harsh shadows and highlights your features accurately, make it an essential addition for anyone who values precision in their grooming routine. LED lights are particularly advantageous because they provide bright, energy efficient illumination that lasts longer than traditional bulbs. They also emit minimal heat, ensuring a comfortable light environment even during extended use. Moreover, these mirrors often come with adjustable brightness settings, allowing you to customize the lighting based on the time of day or the specific task at hand. For instance, softer light in the morning can create a calming atmosphere, while brighter setting in the evening can prepare you for a night out. Some models even feature color temperature options, letting you switch between warm and cool tones to simulate different environments, ideal for ensuring your makeup looks flawless in any lighting situation. The design of the mirror itself can significantly enhance the overall aesthetic of your bathroom, whether you prefer a sleek modern look or a more traditional style. There are countless options available to suit any decor. Frames in materials such as brushed nickel, polished chrome, or classic wood can contempt your vanity and surrounding fixtures, creating a cohesive design. Additionally, some mirrors come with smart features such as touch sensors for lighting control, anti-fog technology, and even Bluetooth connectivity for playing music or taking calls. Space considerations are also important. A larger mirror can create the illusion of more space, making a small bathroom feel larger and more open. On the other hand, if you have a spacious vanity area, you might opt for a multi-panel mirror that provides functionality and visual interest. Regardless of the size or shape, a well-spaced illuminated vanity mirror can become the centerpiece of your bathroom, drawing the eye and elevating the overall design. Installation is relatively straightforward, and many mirrors come with mounting hardware included, making it accessible for DIY enthusiasts. However, it's important to consider the height at which the mirror is mounted to ensure it meets the needs of all the users. Additionally, ensuring that the electrical components comply with local safety regulations is crucial for both functionality and safety. In conclusion, a bathroom vanity mirror with light is more than just a practical accessory. It's a stylish element that enhances both the functionality and aesthetic appeal of your bathroom. By choosing a mirror that fits your design preferences and lighting needs, you can create a welcoming and efficient space that reflects your personal style while serving as a daily necessity. Whether for a quick touch up or an elaborate beauty routine, the right illuminated mirror can transform the way you experience your bathroom, making it a place of comfort and sophistication.